Former Maharashtra Home Minister and Nationalist Congress Party SP MLA Anil Deshmukh has confirmed rationalist Shyam Manav's claims that Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, through a third person, had approached the former to implicate 4 former ministers of the Maha Vikas Aghadi government, including the then Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, failing which he would face an arrest. A charge that Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has denied. Meanwhile, BJP Maharashtra Chief Chandrasekhar Bawankule on Wednesday made a huge claim against NCP SP leader and former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. He accused Deshmukh of hatching conspiracies to trap State Minister Girish Mahajan and other BJP leaders. Deshmukh on Wednesday alleged that Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis intermediary asked him to sign affidavits against leaders in the Maha Vikas Aghadi to avoid any litigation. The Maharashtra BJP chief also questioned the NCP SP leader on his claims that Fadnavis pressured him to take action against senior Maha Vikas Aghadi leaders. He said that when these alleged incidents took place, Deshmukh was the Home Minister of the state. Anil Deshmukh stepped down as the State Home Minister in April of 2021 after the then Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh accused him of asking police to collect money from hotel and bar owners in the city.
कल मैंने जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस इनके ऊपर जो आरोप किया था कि देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने 3 साल पहले मेरे ऊपर दबाव लाया था केंद्र शासन के जरिए मेरे ऊपर दबाव लाके देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने मुझे उस वक्त उद्धव जी ठाकरे के खिलाफ में एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, आदित्य ठाकरे के खिलाफ में झूठा एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, अजीत पवार के खिलाफ झूठा एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था। उसका कल मैंने बयान सब माध्यम को दिया है और जो मैंने देवेंद्र फडणवीस के ऊपर आरोप लगाया था कि उन्होंने मुझे झूठे आरोप में फंसाया और हमारे सब नेता के ऊपर आरोप करने के लिए मुझके ऊपर दबाव डाला था, एफिडेविट करने के लिए बोला था, उसका सभी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग मेरे पास में है। ये पेन ड्राइव है। कोई मुझे चैलेंज करेगा तो मैं ये पेन ड्राइव के जरिए मैं पूरा उसका खुलासा करूंगा। उसी प्रकार कल देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताया कि उनके पास मेरे बारे में कुछ वीडियो क्लिपिंग्स है। वो वीडियो क्लिपिंग में मैंने कुछ शरद पवार साहब के बारे में बोला है, कुछ उद्धव ठाकरे के बारे में बोला है। मेरा जाहिर आह्वान देवेंद्र फडणवीस को है कि उन्होंने उनके पास जो वीडियो क्लिपिंग्स है मेरे बारे में उसको उन्होंने जाहिर करना चाहिए, लोगों के सामने लाना चाहिए, मेरा उनको आह्वान है।
आज जो अनिल देशमुख जी कह रहे हैं वो इतने सीरियस स्टेटमेंट्स हैं क्योंकि वो भुक्तभोगी हैं। उनको जेल में महीनों तक रखा हुआ विदाउट चार्जशीट, विदाउट एविडेंस, और आज जब वो कहते हैं कि मुझे फेक एफिडेविट कह रहे थे साइन करिए, जो कैरेक्टर असैसिनेशन कर रहे हैं, जो झूठे आरोप लगा रहे हैं, तभी हम आपको रिहा करेंगे। और स्ट्रेट वो आ रहा है देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी के ऑर्डर से, यानी वो एक एक्सपोज करता है कि फडणवीस जी जो दिखाते हैं, वो दिखाने वाले दांत और खाने वाले दांत की जो बात होती है, दिखाते हैं कि वो विजनरी हैं, डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं, महाराष्ट्र हित की बात करते हैं, वो सिर्फ अपने हित की बात करते हैं, अपने पक्ष के हित की बात करते हैं। और वो खुद रिकॉर्ड पे हैं जहां उन्होंने कहा हाँ मैंने ये पार्टियां तोड़ी हैं सरकार में वापस आने के लिए। खुद ऑन रिकॉर्ड हैं जहां कहते थे कि रात भर वो जाकर ये नेगोशिएशन करते थे, कहाँ कैसे जाएगा। आज जो सामने आया है वो दिखा रहा है किस स्तर तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी गिर सकती है।
And let's get more on this from my colleague Kiran Tare, who's joining us on the phone line. Kiran Tare, for the benefit of the viewers, just explain this entire case in brief, and then of course I'll ask you the political repercussions of this, as it were.
Of course, Sudha, what has happened that Anil Deshmukh has leveled a serious allegation against Devendra Fadnavis, and he has said that Devendra Fadnavis had sent an emissary to Anil Deshmukh asking him to sign several affidavits. And what these affidavits, these so-called or these alleged affidavits were, In first affidavit, it was a case that Uddhav Thackeray should be implicated in a false case. Then Aditya Thackeray should be named as an accused in the killing or the death of Disha Salian, a PR executive in that case. There is an illegal resort built by Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray leader Anil Parab. And Anil Parab's all illegal dealings, all his illegal construction, it should be mentioned in that affidavit. And lastly, but not the least, Anil Deshmukh has claimed that Devendra Fadnavis wanted Ajit Pawar to be implicated in a cheating case. So this is all very interesting. These are all the political allegations, and this case has gone to a level where a former home minister is leveling allegations against the sitting home minister. And why this has happened? The simple reason I can see that elections are very closer.
Yeah.
Just 2 months later from today, there will be elections in Maharashtra, and every party is trying to create an image that we are clean, but the opposition is dirty and they are playing the dirty games. We should tell the viewers also that Devendra Fadnavis had leveled the similar kind of allegations when he was the leader of opposition just 2 years back. Devendra Fadnavis had said in the House of the Assembly, and I was present in the gallery at that time, he had said that Uddhav Thackeray had hatched a conspiracy to frame him in a false case and put him behind the bar. So it is on record. And now there is a turn of Anil Deshmukh, who is claiming the same thing, that Devendra Fadnavis had a plan to implicate Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray and ultimately take an action against them. I think this is all political allegations. But here, what Devendra Fadnavis said yesterday, that he had several kinds of audio-visual clips and he will produce it on the right time. Again, I would like to tell the viewers that Devendra Fadnavis has already submitted an electronics data which is close to 6 TB. It's a huge data, 6 TB data to the Union Home Secretary. I think at that time Rajiv Maharshi was the Union Home Secretary, and he has already submitted it to him. So I think Devendra Fadnavis, he also has some arsenal in his kitty. Anil Deshmukh knows that Devendra Fadnavis has something against him, so he has launched another allegations against him. I think this is a full-fledged political war, and the most interesting point is that both the home ministers, I mean the sitting home minister and the former home ministers, they come from Nagpur. They are neighbors. Their houses are very close to each other, and they know each other very well. I think there is a local flavor of the politics in this case as well. How to dominate the Nagpur constituencies and how to dominate the Vidarbha region as well. My sense is that there is something brewing up in the Vidarbha region for the political supremacy as well.